Hey guys, join me as I create a really quick and easy witch Halloween makeup look. So yeah, let's get started. Right now I am priming my eyes using the Urban Decay Primer Potion. And then I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Cosmos palette. I love this palette. I'm actually getting so much usage out of it. And I'm going to start off with Space Dust and use that as a foundational base shade and apply that all over the lid. Okay, now I'm going to use the tape method, and this just helps you create really clean, smoky eyes. So applying tape to both sides. Okay, then I go in with this gorgeous deep shade of Galaxy and I concentrate on the outer edges, really smoking them out. Okay, so now I'm going in with my finger and I'm applying Quasar, this gorgeous chromatic green emerald shimmery shade, and this is really the focal point of the look, and I think it really adds to the witchy vibes. Okay, so then I'm going in with my Clinique liquid eyeliner and drawing an extended wing. I think this is what makes Halloween so fun. You can really add so much drama to your look. Okay, now I'm stepping away to apply falsies. Be right back. Okay, I'm back guys. So now I'm going to go with my Stone Cold Fox palette and I'm going to take an angled brush, go in with Obsidian and draw the spider legs for the spider eye. So I like to start off with an angled brush and a brown shade because I think it's just less pressure and easier to correct if you make a mistake. So yeah, I'm just drawing the legs right now. Okay, so after the rough sketch of the legs are done, I'm just going in with my liquid liner and tracing them over because this is really going to make them more defined and make the legs really pop. Okay, so now I'm going in with an angled brush and going in with Rumor Mill and just adding some shadows. This helps make the legs look more three-dimensional. And then here I'm adding these white dots, so I went in with Dreamful. And this again just makes the legs look more three-dimensional. Adding the hat on and my ghost spooky earrings. And then now I'm going in with my black lipstick from e.l.f. And yeah, this definitely amps up the spooky vibes. And voila! This is the finished Halloween witch look. Thanks everyone for watching and happy Halloween!